Blue has done it again with the Bold N4. This is a budget phone at $249 and it comes with 512 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and it has a 6.78 Full HD AMOLED display. It is curved as well. It comes with 429 ppi. It has a secondary display with a 1.74 inches. Now this is something new for a budget device. It comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 7300X, which is a 4 nanometer processor. It is octa-core at 2.5 gigahertz. It does support 5G speeds, and it comes with advanced triple AI camera with LED flash. We get a main sensor, which is a 50 megapixel. We get a 8 megapixel wide angle and an 8 megapixel telephoto with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, a 5000 milliamp battery with the ability to charge at 66 watts, which is very impressive. It comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, NFC, and it is powered by the latest Android 15. Like I said, $249. That's actually quite amazing. So getting a look inside, we have the device itself, and wow, does it feel great in the hand already. It comes only in one color, by the way, which is white. And right here we can see the two sensors, the 8 megapixel sensors, and we got that 50 megapixel sensor. You can tell by the size of it, the 50 megapixel is going to be at the very top. And we also can see right there the 1.74 inch display. So let's go ahead and slide it out of here. So there we go, guys. We have now removed that cover, and you can see here from the sides that even though it feels very thin, but in reality it's not the thinnest device out there. And right here we got the USB-C, we have the SIM tray along with the loudspeaker. We get the what appears to be the, I don't know, this could be the volume rockers up and down, maybe, and the power keys on the left side. Then on the back, like I said, we just get the casing for it. Now this feels like plastic, maybe. We will have to check that later, but it feels like plastic. And this is the rear display. It looks pretty good if you guys ask me. So let's go ahead and start it. Also, we can see right on top there with my fingerprint the front-facing camera, and this is the boot logo. So while this is starting, let's go ahead and check and see what else comes inside of the box. Typically we get a lot with these phones, and one of them is that we get that super fast 66 watt charger. We get the little SIM popper tool. We get some earphones. These are USB-C connection earphones. We get the USB wire, some manuals and quick start guide, and this is the case that I was talking about before. It is all included so that you don't have to buy one yourself. At least you know that you can start protecting it from day one. At a first glance, this thing feels and looks phenomenal. It does remind me of the Samsung Galaxy S6s and the S7s with a curved display. Something that I miss. It brings a lot of nostalgia, I would say. And yeah, this was very cool back in the day. I am not sure if they will be able to bring this back, but I really hope they do. I love curved displays, and I actually miss it, guys. This thing has amazing views. My camera can't, I think it can't do the justice. When you're looking at this, it kind of looks like everything is 3D, which is, you know, super cool. And I just want to guide you through real quick the setup process. So of course I'm going to have to enter my Gmail account. I do have a SIM card already. It is inside of my truck, where I have an AT&T base service, which is H2O wireless here in the USA. Alright guys, so this is the part where it is asking me if I want to set up my fingerprint. Of course I want to do that, and let's go ahead and start. And now check that out. It is super responsive, and I'm impressed. Very easy to set up. Now I'm doing the edges. And then of course you can set up more fingers as well. So we're gonna add another, and Now we're gonna do it here with the right side. And this is just to give you a glance of how great phones are becoming, and I'm referring to the budget side. Expensive phones are basically the same as last year, but then budget phones are increasing with specs and new features, and this is a great example of that, guys. So let's go ahead and hit next. Let's go ahead and hit next again. I accept everything, and let's go ahead and turn on the backup. That's fine. Let's hit OK. Continue. Agree. More. Agree. More. Agree. Okay, I'm going to do this maybe later. Let's just skip it for now. And no thanks. And now we are logged in, guys. Check this out. And here it is. So we are 100% set up on here for now until I start downloading apps. It comes already with some pre-installed apps, which I always find to be a little bit gimmicky. I really don't like that. I prefer to download my own stuff because you just simply never know. But wow, this thing looks to be very, very fluent, at least for now. And you can see that display. Let me show you here with the apps. Let me show you here. There we go. You can see how in reality it does curve on the edges. Okay, and again, this is very, very impressive. So this is the rear view camera, and the clarity on this thing is just phenomenal. So we even have portrait on here, 50 megapixel. I guess that's more for like raw pictures. We have up to 3 times optical zoom. That's 1 times. And let's just go ahead and take a picture here real quick, so that way you guys get an idea of what this looks like in real life. Let me see if maybe I can zoom it in now for you, and check that out, guys. The details are definitely there. These are great sensors from what I can see so far, but remember, this is with ideal conditions. Right now I am on my desk and I have a lot of lights here, so we will have to test this on the review side and see if the camera does perform even under low light conditions. This is the selfie camera, as you can see, and colors are quite realistic. It kind of beautifies me a little bit. Not sure if I like that, but again, it looks pretty cool, and it has more features on this side as well. Also, this is what the rear display looks like. This is that 1.74 inch display. We have a lot of quick toggles on here, like the recorder, the stopwatch, the camera, alarm, the timer. I can see how this can become very, very useful. We even get the time. Sometimes, I don't know if you guys have the habit, I place the phone upside down, and having this can become super, super great. I think I'm liking this phone more than I thought I was gonna like it, and the cool part about it is that everything is so far very fluent, but as with any Android device, time will only tell if it's going to remain this way. Also, check this out. We do have stereo speakers on this device. Things just keep getting better and better.
Uno mas, thanks.
You're Johnny Cage. I loved Citizen Cage when I was a kid.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
They should do a reboot.
Nobody wants that.
So guys, I think that we have, at least for now, done the quick setup and the unboxing here of the Blue Bold N4. Stay tuned to the channel so that way we can see much more later on. I'm going to test it for a few days. I'm going to insert my SIM card and just let you know how everything is working. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and share, and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss future videos like this.